Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Realtone. It's a Radio Shack model, probably 1960s, I'm guessing. Jeff didn't have a year on it. 6 transistor, AM only. He bought it from the Facebook Marketplace for $22, and it's like brand new. And back then they had these kind of pastel colors, this greenish blue, a pink, a yellow. Right down in there is the tuning dial. There's the tuning knob in orange, and there's the on-off volume. There should be a headphone jack here someplace. None. Check that out. There's no earbud headphones jack. Okay, well, let's just see what it sounds like. Turn it on here.
Prior to this potential suspension, Dan Graziano on Greeny.
Well, I guess yes. They knew when they made the deal, when they made the trade and the contract, that this was hanging over his head, that it's possibly.
That is really tinny. Oh my gosh. Really tinny. Let's see how it tunes. Again, it's AM band only.
The trouble he was in, and they made it anyway because they're desperate to have a quarter.
Now it's going to be directional, so I got to try different directions. Okay, I went down the band. I was almost at the band. I was at 620, and I went down, so let's go the other direction.
All over again.
There's 620. That's probably my router. This is going to be a short video.
Especially not down.
Trying to get that one.
Game 6 was the NBA superstar.
That's about it. Okay, this is Jeffrey Looks Collector's Radio. Yep, that's it. That's it. Pretty hard to tune. Let me look at Jeff's note here. Notes. Yeah, he didn't say. He normally, if a radio is a real good reception radio, he notes it, and he doesn't note it on this one. So this is strictly for looks. And it is pristine. Uses a 9-volt battery. 6 transistor, as I said before. That's about it. That's about all I can say. Except thanks to Jeff for loaning me these radios. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.